welcome to my medicine cabinet. I just washed my face and I'm doing this mask. Where's my, I don't even know. Do I look there? Do I look there? I'm so confused. Pearl Essence 24 karat gold illuminating mask. I bought it at TJ Maxx for $6.99. I'm not sure how. Like, do they just need to put in one piece, teeny, like minuscule piece of a 24 karat gold to be able to say that it's 24 karat gold? So I put it on liberally because it wasn't expensive at all. And I got this idea of putting it on with a brush from Ashley, Ash C, who is now a redhead. But the cool thing about this is that it really, while it's on, it does have this luminescent, because it's gold. Cobweb. Look at my hair, I haven't done it. And I have so much dry shampoo in it, it's not even funny. So if you see this at TJ Maxx, I recommend it. I like it. It's not bad. Then I wash off the brush, which washes off with no like residue. That's good. God, these Real Technique brushes have, I got this one like back in Boston. It's just perfection. You never need another brush. Okay. So, I don't have a towel. So I go to work today at 5:30. I did my nails last night. They look like nothing, but wait till you see them outside. I also want to do a video, whoopsie, sorry. I have so much that I want to sell. Like, I just want to get rid of things again. A purge. Of bags and such. Bags, jewelry. Oh my God, I have to sweep this whole. Okay, I'm bringing it into the, it's a cloudy day. I have to sweep all this, but look it! I left it alone and a new one bloomed. The old one died. I have to clean up all that. This is from my upstairs neighbor overwatering her plants. And it pouring down over here too. I've had to get rid of, wait, why is that finger? I've had to get rid of work. I've had to get rid of furniture because she overwaters her plants and it drips down and then it just sits there stagnant. So they get moldy. I don't know why it's so hard for her to either not overwater them or move them just a teeny bit away from the edge. Whatever, I'm gonna go sweep out there. And it's clean. And I do know that this, I need to put something better, higher in this, but this is all that I had for right now, so I just threw it in there. But yeah, I even got into every groove. Stay, stay, stay. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. You staying. Mommy said stay. No, no, stay. Look at Kitty's behind you. Kitty's behind you. You letting him on the bed. That's so nice of you. You're so sweet today. Sometimes you're not that nice. And you get mad if anyone else gets under bed because you're in charge, right? Yeah. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look at your little nose. Oh, my girl. Yeah. You're smiling a lot. You happy, girl? I'm driving Burke's truck. Let's take a look. Oh, see, he did that on his. Let's take a look how he keeps it. So I just put my bag in here. Ugh. Let's see what he has. Okay. It's old-fashioned, so you have to roll down the windows. And he's got all these little things, and this, even though I'm a Scentsy consultant, he refuses to use it. I do happen to know that there I am, so he can see me and my mother. Oh, it's hot as hell in here. I'm not used to not having an air conditioner. Okay, a bunch of lights on. He left me with no gas, so I have to put gas in his car. He has some goldfish, and that's the back. Let's see, that's cologne. What is this? Oh, for skateboards. Sand from the beach. And I'm literally driving practically lying down, so I have to move the seat up. Look at me! I'm driving a truck. Up so high. That's cool. I gotta get used to the specs. So I'm gonna go get gas and then go to the post office and mail something. Oops. For one of my subscribers. I'm not looking in the wrong place. Haven't done my hair yet, just put on some makeup. Alrighty. There you can see the hollow. Got a dreidel. Come on, I only have a few miles before I run out of gas. Thanks, Burke, for leaving me with so very little. Gas station. Ooh, $3.49. Which side is his gas thing on? It's on this side. Okay, so I'm going to go this way. Oops. Look, old-fashioned. I'm going to treat myself. I never get, you know, like a made coffee, but I'm going to get an iced chai latte with almond milk. It is so good. His car has no mirror, like for me to look and see what the thing is that's in my eye that's bothering me, so I'm gonna go home. It's probably caught in my lashes. Oh, you guys, I feel very, very lackluster right now. I just feel, for days now, like I'm dragging a dead body behind me. I don't know if you can see. Oh, and it smells like the beach. Gungor gave this to him. It's cologne. Oh, it smells so good. He's got another one. 2:38. Come on, people, let's go. It says dog bar. Oh, his windshield. Look at that. Ugh, and his wipers don't work. His car is a piece of shit. I liked his other car better. Even though this is newer. I was just talking for all that time and didn't press record, or I did press record. I don't even know. My hand hurts so bad. Ugh. Tomorrow is my full day off, so I think I'm gonna go to a doctor. Okay, let's turn you around so you can see. They're building a lot of apartments all here, and then on the other street. I've been trying also really hard not to eat anything with too much salt. Sorry guys, that's my hand holding the steering wheel. So I really would love sushi, but I cannot. I've been to that bead store. It's very, very expensive. I miss my car.